All right, YouTube, another update here today on our project on my Volkswagen, the eGolf batteries right here. So everything is configured. I already made some wires there. Sorry, I didn't show you guys how it's done. Yeah, you guys have seen some of my wires. I've done my crimping and all that stuff. So I designed and put the heats, whatever, shrink there. Everything is get done all well. So I already configured the batteries. You can see from positive to negative. So if you see here, there's a positive sign. Sorry for the glare. The light is too bright. There's a positive sign right up here. You can see it. Hope so. So all the way down. So positive here, positive, negative, positive, negative for 48 volt configuration. You can see where the BMSs are going here, but it's gonna be a next video about the BMS, what BMS I'm gonna be using on this. But it's 24 volts. That's what I'm trying to configure right now. I made the wires here, terminals interconnect, so I can connect positive up here to negative. This is one battery, positive to negative, one batteries. Then the already series, then I'm just gonna parallel them going to my Busbars, and this is how the process is gonna start with this one whole operation. I got my Bosch wrench already, it's ready, and today on the nuts that's supposed to be there, I don't know, the camera light is super bright, so I think I'm using the TROX. Okay, I don't know if you can see it anyway, but you just take my word for it. It's TROX T30. That's the wrench we're gonna be using to go through all this process. So let's start this entire process, shall we? And before that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right, so we're setting up here. I'm showing you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna connect the interconnects to the batteries here. So the positive is gonna be the bottom one here. It's a positive sign right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the bolt right here, which is already pre-did, and that's gonna be the positive. So this is number. So if you look at this thing, the wire I'm gonna be using is a number 4 cable. I hope you can see that. Here, it's a number 4. Interesting. See that right there underneath, bottom, number 4. Just to show you guys, I'm using a number 4 cable. It's a flex cable. See that underneath, number 4 comes out clear, and the bottom here is number 4 gauge. So that's what I'm gonna be using. Some of you guys will say, "Oh, JW Solar, that's big wire. It's too big. You don't need that big." But you know, it's good to be big or be sorry. So this is the way I do things, and you guys have seen, because I'm trying to make wires. If I have to destroy some wires for a certain application, and I would do it, because I don't want to in the near future and end up, you know, like the wire, I just wasted the wire. But I want to put it into good use. Stay tuned. As you can see, I already got one of these here. That's why I decided to go with flex wires. By using a flexible wire, it's always advantageous to bend the wire the way you want according to the angle. So I decided to use that. So now he's going to the negative here. It's going to the negative of the battery. So it's coming here, so that gives it as a series to the 24 volt application. So doing so, and just have to go with this. I hope I'm not on the way. So it's connected. So I don't have a clearance that I'm gonna bend this wire to be this way, and with the shrink, heat shrink, everything. And this is number 4, where you end up fitting into number 6 terminal, because it's a soft wire. So I'm gonna be continuing to do the same thing here. You can see another positive from this end and going to the negative up here. So why can't we just start from the negative up here? So, and get back. This is not all new to you guys. You guys know how to do this, but for the benefit of other people, remember, we all learn differently, so they gotta take the baby steps, step by step. It's just like hands-on. So this is what I'm doing right now, just like a hands-on. So they will see what I did. Remember, we all know the same, and we all know more than other people. Some people know more than we do on other things, on other area. So this is all new for other people. So that's why I'm trying to do this step by step. And if you know how to do this, don't worry about it. I don't want you to say that maybe I would have just fast forward the video or put it on fast play, whatever you call it. But I'm trying to do it for the benefit of the individual, not just for few people. So by doing so, this one is going to be in here, and I'm going to tie this one, then we're going to test the voltages. Well, all right, guys, it's all done. See the interconnect positive here to the negative, and another positive here to a negative. I just stacked them. These are 24 volt configurations, not 48. If it would have been 48, positive, negative, I'll tie this other one down here to this, and another one from here to that. That gives you the 48 volt. But this is not the way I set it up for 48. This is just for 24. So I just stack them. This is one pack. These two is one pack, so 24 volt. And this is a 24 volt here. They're all connected really nice. So let's check the voltage. Alright guys, since we already have the batteries all stacked up and we reading the voltage here right now, I'm gonna be showing you, dial this thing to DC. So if we have, let me take a peek from the back, positive from the other side. So this will be the positive right here. Let's see. Hold on. Get the camera angle right. Okay, this is the wrong one. It's okay. Let's see. I think I got it. See that? 28.4. Okay. That's one pack. Let's try the other one here. $28.4. So they're well balanced. 28.4 because I'm wiggling this thing. 28.4. Okay, so everything is wired completely and wired right. There's the pack right here, waiting for the other remaining pieces to be here, and we can complete this one whole process, walk you around and see what I did here. So that's how it looks like. Okay guys, I hope you like what you saw, and thanks for following my videos. Stay tuned as we keep going, making all these pack a very nice and decent pack, and you guys will see the performance on this. I know all of you guys are really anxious to see this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Subscribe, share, and like.